Dear students, hope you are fine and healthy. I am Vijayakumar, your maths teacher. Once again, I feel happy to meet you through the e-learning program. Today's session is maths. Already we learnt about 2D, 3D shapes and their properties. Today we are going to discuss about point, line, line segment, ray, angles and types of angles. In your previous class, they asked one person in the comment also. This lesson full concept theory based only. So I already explained to you. So next of all, we are going to discuss about first the point. We know without point we can't complete the sentence also. So first of all, we see the definition of point. A point shows an exact location of an object. It is the basic unit of geometry. It is represented with the help of a single dot. It is named by using a single capital English alphabet. Now I am going to write the definition of point. So, a point shows an exact location of an object. It is the basic unit of geometry. It is represented with the help of a single dot. It is named by using an English alphabet single capital, that is point A. We know very well a point has no length and no breadth. No length and no breadth. So we already very well we know. So exact location means we want to find out the any object means must we need the point. The next one is line segment. Line segment also a part of a line. Line segment is a part of a line. It has how many end points? Likewise, line also line segment. So it has two end points and here has a fixed length. The line segment has a fixed length. So this also line segment also a part of a line. Part of a line. It has how many end points? It has two end points. So it has a fixed length. The line segment is a what? It has a fixed length. The symbol for the line segment is this is the symbol for the line segment. If we consider AB as a line segment means how can we draw? So for example, if you want to take in scale 7 centimeter, so keep the starting point here. After you keep the 7 centimeter, use in your scale and draw. So this is the A point, this is a B point. So already we know, we consider how many centimeter? 7 centimeter. This is the line segment of 7 centimeter. How can we write? The line segment can be written as, how can we write? AB is equal to BA. So same distance apart from A to B or otherwise B to A. This is the explanation about line segment. Next of all, we are going to discuss about ray. So we know very well. So ray also a part of a line only. So ray also what ma? Part of a line. So ray also part of a line. It has how many end point? Ray has only one end point. So it has only one end point. And this goes on endlessly in. I already told you here only one end point means how many directions it will go? Only one direction. So ray also a part of a line. It has only one end point. Goes on endlessly in. How many direction? Only one direction. Goes on endlessly in one direction. So that is called ray. So how can we draw the ray? So this is the initial point, that is we consider a cube. So this is a point P. So here we can draw two arrow mark, means that is a both direction. I already explained to you, ray has how many endpoint? Only endpoint. The direction is also 1. So we can use the arrow mark only 1. So this is the ray. So QP is here considered ray. How can we write the ray QP? So only ray. Not equal to what? PQ. Why? Because the ray is denoted with the help of a first letter, that is a Q only want to come in front of the letter. So QP is not equal to PQ. Initial point only want to write a first, not consider the last point. This is the explanation about ray. Are you understood, students? Next we will see line segment ray based problems. Here given, look at the figure. You want to look at the figure. Name different line segment. I already explained to you line segment. So we want to consider the different line segment. What you are forming, you want to take and write here. So we have here different line segment that is represented with the alphabet letters. So how can we write the line segment? So first ED is one of the line segment. EC also one of the line segment. Next you see CD also one of the line segment. AD also one of the line segment. Next AD, next we consider BC also one of the line segment, and last you see AB also one of the line segment. In this figure we can calculate how many line segment in this figure. Totally have how many line segments? 6 line segments. That is ED is a one line segment, EC is a second line segment, CD is a third line segment, and AD is a fourth line segment, BC is the fifth line segment, and AB is a sixth line segment. This is the different line segments formed in this figure. Next question we move. So here also read the questions carefully. Look at the figures and name different rays. I already explained to you rays also. Ray has only one end point and goes along the how many direction? Only one direction. You consider. So this is a what? Different rays figure here given. So P, we know the condition for the ray. Initial in the type of ray we want to first write the initial point. Here initial point is what? P. So we can consider how to write this answer for this PQ ray. So PQ ray. This is the answer for this ray. Second question here given. This is a point. This is a B point. This is C point. So how can we write? So here have two ray. AB is one of the ray. AC is another one ray. So AB ray and another one is what? AC ray. And the third question here given. See here have. So that is the middle point is meet at the center point is called the vertex. So here given the question. So listen all of you. Here given that what? Two rays. So we can consider L and B. Look at the figure. Here have the different rays. That is a initial point. So that is L. So the center point that is meet at the vertex. So we can consider LM is one of the ray. LB is another ray. And LA is another ray. So you are forming how many rays in this figure? We forming how many rays? Here 3 rays. LM is one of the ray. LB is a second ray. And LA is a third ray. This is the forming different rays in this figure. Next we want to draw for ray AB, line CD and line segment. Segment is also called a line segment, LM, and ray QP. First we can take ray AB. So ray has only one end points, goes on endlessly in one direction. That is A point. This is a B point. This is a ray. So ray has only one direction. This is the ray AB. Next question you read line CD. So line CD. So this is the line. So we have two end points. That is a point C and this is a D. A line is a collection of points. It has how many end points? Two end points going endlessly in both direction and along a straight path. Very important. Along a straight path. And the third one is segment, that is a line segment LM. How can we draw? So it has a line segment is also we know very well, that is a fixed length. That is a initial point M and another final point is a M. This is the line segment of LM. And the last one is a ray QP. Already we drawn here likewise only. So initial point, that is a Q, and the final point is P. So ray has only one direction. This is the explanation about these 4 problems. The next topic is angle. An angle is formed when 2 rays, how many rays? 2 rays meet at the common point, that is called a vertex. We will write the definition for the angle and the vertex. An angle is formed. An angle is formed when, how many rays? Very very important. 2 rays. How many rays ma? 2 rays meet in a common point. Meet in a common point. Is called. It is called what? Vertex. That is called a vertex. That is called a vertex. An angle is formed. How many rays they want to meet? 2 rays. Common point. That is called a vertex. Here, each of the rays is called. Each of the rays is called an arm of an angle. So, each of these rays is called arm of an angle. So, an angle is represented with the symbol of, likewise, represented the symbol. This is the symbol for angle. This is the symbol for angle. So, how can draw? So, now I am going to draw the angle diagram. So, how many rays here want to meet the 2 rays? This is a one ray. This is another ray. Meet the common point is called the vertex. We consider A, B, C. This is the 3 points. That is A, B, C is a points. AB is one of the ray and BC is another one ray. Common point meet is called. Common point, this one we know both. So we can consider that is a vertex. That is a vertex. So here have how many arm of an angle? 2 arm. That is AB is one of the arm of an angle and BC is one of the arm of an angle. This is the arm. So this also another one of the arm. So where want to form the angle? In between the place. So this is the forming what? Angle. So here AB and listen, AB and BC meet at the common point, that is a B. That is a point B. So here forming the angle ABC. We know the vertex point want to come in between of the place, or otherwise C B A. So otherwise we can consider only the B point. So this is also equal. So ABC also equal one of the angle. CBA also equal to ABC. Are these both equal to the angle Q? So next we can draw. So angle formed by meeting of 2 rays. How can we draw? That is, so this is angle formed by meeting of 2 rays. Angle formed by meeting of 2 rays. How many rays here have? 2 rays. That is a angle formed by meeting of 2 rays. Next we can consider angle formed by meeting of 2 line segments. So how can we draw? So line segment, that is a fixed point. So this is a B, C. So this is the angle. So angle formed by meeting 2 line segment. 2 line segment. This figure is show what ma? Angle formed by meeting of 2 line segment. Next figure. So this is a angle formed by meeting. So listen, angle formed by meeting intersection of 2 lines. Intersection of how many lines? 2 lines. Meeting intersection of how many lines? 2 lines. So likewise we want to draw so intersection of two lines. Okay, are you understood? Next, this figure shows that angle formed by meeting intersection of two line segment. Padma, two line segment. Another we can draw. So this is a common point. So that is in between of the place. We can draw the arrow. So here see angle formed by intersecting. So intersecting of how many lines? Two lines. So here see angle formed by meeting of intersecting of how many lines? Intersecting of two lines. Are you understood? This is angle formed by meeting of two rays, angle formed by meeting of two line segment, angle formed by meeting intersection. So that is what? Intersection of two line segment, angle formed by meeting intersection of two lines. In this table, we want to calculate here given the picture of the angle, we want to calculate the name of the angle and then vertex, and last one is two arms of an angle. I already explained to you what is the vertex. The 2 point common point is meet at a place is called the vertex. Now I already show the picture also where is the arm is located. So here see picture of the angle. This is here given one of the picture. We want to calculate the name of the angle. So A, B, C is one of the angle and are equal to CBA. Are equal to CBA. Next we want to calculate the vertex. Common point meet at the center place is called the vertex. Here what? The point B is called the vertex. The point B is called the vertex. And last one is two arms of an angle. So this is AB is one of the arm and BC is one of the arm. So we can write AB and BC. So likewise we want to write. So here given problem. So DEF. Name of the angle DEF are equal to likewise FED. So FED. In between the vertex point is called what? E. Vertex point is what? E. Two arm of an angle. FE. EF is one of the arm and ED is one of the arm. So FE and ED is one of the two arms of an angle. And the final one here given PQR angle. So name of the angle PQR. What? PQR or otherwise RQP. RQP. The common point vertex that is called what? Q point. So two arms. One is PQ and another one is QR. PQ and QR. This is the two arm of an angles. Next we are going to discuss about what are the types of angles. Already we learnt about angles. Here given next topic is types of angles. Listen, angles are classified according to their degree measurements. According to a degree measurement. So we have the different types of angles. First one is what? Acute angle. Not cute, acute angle. Next, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. And third one is right angle. Third one is what? Right angle. And next one is straight angle. Fifth one is reflex angle. Last one is a complete angle. So the last one is what? Complete angle. According to their degree measurements, we can classify these types of angles. So we see one by one. The first one is acute angle. What do you mean by acute angle? An angle which measures more than 0 degree. Very, very important. More than 0 degree. An angle which measures the unit of angle is what? Degree. So we can draw that like this. So more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called what? Acute angle. In between the place 0 to 90, that is called acute angle. Shall I tell to a definition for one time? So an angle which measures more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called acute angle. How can we draw the acute angle? So ABC is an acute angle. So A, B, C. This is the acute angle. For example, in this time of clock, 4:20 is the what? Acute angle. 4:20 is the what? Acute angle. You know very well the definition of acute angle. Next we can discuss about obtuse angle. So listen all of you. Obtuse angle means an angle which measures here completed what? Less than 90 degree. Here want to start what? More than 90 degree. An angle which measures more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle. Again I tell to you, listen, an angle which measures more than 90 degree and less than 180, in between the place 90 and 180, that all angles are called obtuse angle. So PQR is an obtuse angle. How can we draw? This is the acute angle. So this is a P, this is a Q, this is a R. This is formed by the angle. This is called what? Obtuse angle. Next one is different types of angle we see. Next angle is right angle. So what do you mean by a right angle? An angle which measures exactly, so exactly 90 degree, that is called right angle. An angle which measures, listen, an angle which measures exactly, what ma? Exactly how many degree? 90 degree. This is a very important. Exactly 90 degree is called right angle. Is called a right angle. So ABCN right angle. How can we draw right angle? So right angle is always what? A straight line. So 90 degree. So this is what ma? 90 degree. Why? Because we are writing here 90 degree. Exactly. That's why we are writing here 90 degree. So A, B, C. So A, B, C is equal to C, B, A is equal to, or B is equal to what? 90 degree. This is the explanation about right angle. The next one is a straight angle. The next one is what ma? Straight angle. So straight angle, likewise only we want to change it. In 90s want to change what? 180 degree. So an angle which measures exactly, here also want to write what? Exactly 180 degree. They are given what? 90 degree. That is called right angle. Here given what? 180 degree. That is called straight angle. So 180 degree is called what ma? Straight angle. So how can we draw the straight angle? So we know straight angle means a straight path only. So we can write this is a straight angle. So two rays, two end points. So P, Q, R. This is a straight angles. Why we are telling straight angle? Two right angle is added means we get straight angles. 90 plus 90. So listen, here draw one line means, so this is a 90 degree, this is a 90 degree. So 90 plus 90 what? 180 degree. This is called what ma? Straight angle. Right means must understand 90 degree, straight means 180 degree. This is the explanation about right and straight angle. The next angle is reflex angle. We know acute angle means more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle means more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Here next one is a reflex angle. We completed there how many degree? 180 degree. Here we want to start 180 degree. An angle which measures, so write the definition, an angle which measures more than how many degree? 180 degree. More than 180 degree and must less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Is called what ma? Reflex angle. So how can we draw the reflex angle? For consider P, Q, R is a reflex angle. How can we draw? This is a reflex angle. So this is a P, this is what? Q, this is R. Here only forming the angles. This is called what? Reflex angle. PQR. R is equal to RQP. R equal to Q. This is the explanation about reflex angle. And the last one is a complete angle. So last one is what now? Complete angle. So we know the definition of right angle, straight angle. Next one is a complete angle. 90 degree means right angle, 180 degree means straight angle, and 360 degree means that is a complete one circle. So that is we are telling a complete angle. So shall we write the definition for the complete angle? An angle which measures exactly 360 degree is called complete angle. So which degree is called complete angle? 360 degree is called complete angle. So how can we draw complete angle? We know one circle is called the complete angle. So we can write, so this is the line. So here consider point. So this is the P point. This is the rays goes to A. This is one of the complete angle. So we can consider the circle divided into 4 means 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 90, 270, 270 plus 90 we add means 360. That is called one complete angle. So right means 90, straight means 180, complete means 360 degree. Likewise, we consider the zero angle. An angle which measures a 0 degree, that is called what? Zero angle. Are you understood, students? We learnt about the types of angles. According to, we want to classify the following angles. Here given that some of the values we want to calculate it. Here which one is acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and then complete angle. The first we can classify 30 degrees, we know more than 0 degree and less than 90 degrees called a acute angle. So 30 is a which angle? Acute angle. First we can write acute angle. So 30 degrees what ma? Acute angle. So next 0 to 90 in between the any number is called what? Acute angle. So 45 also what? Acute angle. So up to 90 here given only the 60. This also what? Acute angle. So next value consider, that is they given what? 90. So we know exactly 90 degrees called what? Right angle. So right angle. So exactly 90 degrees called what? Right angle. Don't confuse here. More than 0 degree and less than 90 to come here. That is called what? Acute angle. But here right angle exactly comes, that is called what? Right angle. And the next one is 90 degrees. Right angle. So next more than 90 degree. So came to what? More than 90 degree. That is called what? Obtuse angle. So obtuse angles more than 90 degree and less than what? In between the place of 180 degree. That is called obtuse angle. So 120 also up to 180 what? Obtuse angle. So 120 also obtuse angle, 130 also obtuse angle, 170 also what? Obtuse angle. The last one, see, 75. Is it in obtuse angle? No. Why? Because less than 90 degree. That is called acute angle. We want to consider in acute angles. Are you understood, student? This is the classify the following angles. I give now one exercise to you. You want to practice in your home. So read the question. Here given 8 questions. The first one is the angle below. So less than also, below also what? Same. Above or what? More than also equal. So below 90 degree and above 0 degree. We read how that is more than 0 degree, that is called above, and less than 90 degree, that is called acute angle. So here what you want to write here answer? Acute angle. Then second question is the angles below 180 and above 90 degree, more than 90 degree and below 180 degree, that is below means less than, above means more than, that is called what? Obtuse angle. So dash angle is formed by joining two consecutive right angles. I already explained to you, two right angles we joined means we get what angle? Which angle? Straight angle. So you want to write what? Straight angle. Next question is the obtuse angle in angle ABCE is. So which one is the obtuse angle? ACB. So here given that figure what? ACB. So this is the in between of the place. So that is we want to write what? Obtuse angle means what? Angle C. And the next one is fifth question is end of a clap at 320 degree. Must you want to draw the clap after you mention 3 hours 20 minutes. That is which direction will comes we want to consider, that is acute angle or otherwise obtuse angle, right angle or straight angle. We only want to calculate and write in your house. So next, which of the following alphabets has a right angle? So see, option D L, option B K, option C Z, option D N. So we drawn already right angle. So this shape is called the what? Right angle. So which letter? L letter is called right angles. Here telling another example also. For example, you consider this is a blackboard. So listen, this is a blackboard. The 4 corner sides of the blackboard is a right angle. So this also what? Right angle. Blackboard also examples of the right angles. And 7th question, circle the right angle. So this is not circle angle. This also what? Right angle. So option B only here correct. The last question is the angle shown in the figure is, likewise here means which angle we want to calculate and write. Thank you students. We will meet in next class. You will practice in your home and copy in your classwork note. Stay home, stay safe, study well.